Hey there, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and I'm back with another quick tip for you. If you're someone who sells on Teachers Pay Teachers and would like to create a link to your related products inside of your product description, what you'll need to do is simply go to this website link, and I'll add a link to it in the bottom. And then you want to paste in your a link to your TPT store, hit go, and then the system will display a link, display all of your existing products, and you simply click on the ones that you want to be added to your product description. And then you'll go down here, you can either choose copy or copy for new TTPT editor, either one. Once you click copy, then you'll head back over to the TPT store, go into your listing and paste that code, and you're good to go with your links. I hope this quick tip was helpful. See you next time. Bye bye.